Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Queen of Shiba token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything that you need to do in order to purchase the Queen of Shiba token. Just before we get started here, I just want to remind you guys that I do have daily cryptocurrency videos coming out on my channel. So if you guys are interested in learning how to buy, how to sell, and lots more to do within the crypto space, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel as I have lots of content coming out into the future. Anyhow, let's get started here. First things first, we're going to head over to Trust Wallet. And what we're going to do when we're on our Trust Wallet is we have to first add the contract address for the Queen of Shiba token to Trust Wallet, so we're able to go ahead and swap it on PancakeSwap. So to do that, I'll have a link in the description over to CoinMarketCap, where we're going to copy the contract address and then paste it into our Trust Wallet. So if you guys head over to the link I have in the description and in the comment section below, you guys will see a link over to the CoinMarketCap website. So it's look like this. And all we're going to do is scroll down here and come over to where it says contracts. And we just want to copy this contract address just by clicking on that little 2 square icon there. And then we're going to exit back out of here into our Trust Wallet. Now, once we're back in our Trust Wallet, we want to go to the top right of our screens where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles. Click on that. And then we just want to paste in this little search bar here, the contact address. We'll then see add custom token here. So we're going to go ahead and click on add custom token. And then we want to change the network here up top from Ethereum to Smart Chain. And then we're going to paste that contract address right here. And then the Queen of Shiba name, symbol, and the decimals will then pop up for us here. Once we see that, we can click on save at the top, and that will add the token to our Trust Wallet. So now we're able to go purchase it, and then it will appear in our Trust Wallet. So what we want to do now, after we add it, is just head over to PancakeSwap. Now, I just want to remind everyone as well is make sure that you have your BNB in your Smart Chain wallet, not in your BNB wallet. So you want to make sure it's in your Smart Chain wallet right here. And to do that really quick, all you have to do if it's in your BNB wallet is click on BNB, click on more, and then swap it to your Smart Chain. Very, very important. Another thing I'd like to point out as well before we move on to the next step is that if you guys need help creating your Trust Wallet or purchasing BNB, I do have videos linked in the description as well. So if you guys need to know how to do that, you can go ahead and watch those tutorials first and then come back to this one. Anyhow, the next step to purchase our Queen of Shiba token is by going over to PancakeSwap. So I'll have a link over to PancakeSwap in the description as well as in the comment section below. Anyhow, first things first, you have to go over to that link and click on PancakeSwap, and it'll bring us over to this website right here. Now, what I would recommend everyone do first is adding the PancakeSwap app to your home screen. So to do that, you can just click on this little share button at the bottom and then scroll down and click on add to home screen. The reason why I'd recommend doing this is because you can make sure that you're using the real PancakeSwap every time and make sure that you don't use like a fake website, because that is an issue right now in the crypto space. There's a lot of fake websites out there. So you want to make sure you're using the correct website. So by adding it to your home screen, you can make sure that you're always using the correct exchange. So once you add it to your home screen, if you want to, you could also just use Safari as well. But all you want to do once you're on PancakeSwap here is you just want to go to the top left corner of your screen and click on the 3 lines. You want to click on trade and then click on exchange. Once you do that, you'll be on the exchange portion here. And all we have to do is connect our wallets. So right now I'm just going to unconnect my wallet just to show you guys what to do. So what you want to do is click on connect at the top right corner. And then you want to go over to Wallet Connect right here. Once you guys click on Wallet Connect, you want to click on Trust Wallet. And then it's going to open up in our Trust Wallet asking us to connect it to our PancakeSwap. So we just have to click on connect and then head back over to our browser or our app, whatever you're using. And then we'll see our wallet is connected by seeing in the top right corner, we see our wallet address. And then below that, we'll see our balance in our BNB if our BNB is in our Smart Chain wallets. So now what we have to do is we have to select our currency by clicking on select a currency and pasting that same address we got from CoinMarketCap into this section right here. We will then see the Queen Shiba token. So we can go ahead and click on import. I understand, and then import. Once we have that done, we have to change our slippage tolerance. Now, I do recommend using a 12% slippage tolerance for this token. You guys can try different percentages if you would like to. I just like using 12% because it goes through 95% of the time. And then you have to worry about paying fees multiple times if it fails. So to change your slippage tolerance, you want to go over to beside where it says exchange, where you see the 3 lines. Click on that. Then right here, you can change your slippage tolerance. So you can just go ahead and type in 12% or another slippage tolerance if you want to try that. Anyhow, once that is done, you can click on the X button to exit out, and then you have to decide how much BNB that you want to transfer into the Queen Shiba token. So let's just say, for example, I want to do 0.2. I can type in 0.2, and then it will show me the amount of the Queen Shiba token I'll receive for my 0.2 BNB. Now, if you guys are okay with your exchange, you can click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. For you, it should just say swap, and then it'll bring you up another page where it's going to show you your withdrawal fees and your rates and things like that. Now, if you guys understand what you see there and you're happy with it, you can go ahead and click on confirm for the swap. And then you will see a successful notice. Once you see that, you can exit out of here and go back into your Trust Wallet. Then you can cancel out of this. And then your coin should appear in your wallet, usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to purchase the Queen of Shiba token. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.